Thinking of a fun way to keep your kids entertained? What's better way than a water activity that is not only enjoyable but also highly educational? You may be surprised, but yes, there are many benefits of water play, so let's look at it. Sponge squeezing. Take a ball of water and a sponge and ask your child to soak up the water with the sponge and then transfer the water to an empty bowl by squeezing it out, which is good for strengthening hand and finger muscles for writing. This activity is great for hand-eye coordination, grip strength, and concentration. When kids are playing with water, they tend to lose themselves in the activity and spend lots of time exploring and playing, like my little one is doing right now. And now she wants to play it all over again. Okay, you want to play again? Do with this. This encourages your kid to focus, and any activity that holds a child's attention for a long time will directly contribute to increasing their concentration. Veera, you want to play again?
Yes.
Yes, you liked it?
Yes.
Okay, now play with this. Visual motor skills like filling and pouring are often taken for granted. These important skills are developed in the early years, which also helps in developing fine motor skills. चलते फिर अपन दूसरा गेम खेलो. Which one is full?
This one.
Which one is empty?
This one.
Why it is empty?
No water.
Okay, now transfer water. Now tell me which one is full?
This one.
Which one is empty?
This one.
Why that is empty?
No water.
Very good. Very good. Movements such as pouring, dumping, filling, splashing, mixing, squeezing are great ways to develop these fine motor skills. So do try it out at least once in a week. Her game invented by her. Have you ever noticed a child's desire to do the same things you are doing, from pouring water, juice, milk, etc. into a glass to sweeping the floor? These activities serve multiple purposes. These activities help a child independently and confidently perform daily tasks that they might find at home. As kids fill and pour from different size containers, they learn about volume and capacity. Wow, well done! They start understanding that they must not pour too fast or the water will spill. It's a delicate balance, but once achieved, they love this activity, especially when you praise them. Well done, Veera. You sit in her bathtub, so that I've poured here. Now let's mix it up to get the foam. Where is yellow color block? Okay, give me orange color bottle cap. Okay, give me blue color block. Blue color block. Okay. If you found this video helpful, do like the video and subscribe the channel for more such educational videos. Thank you.